योग्य वाटत असेल त्याला तुम्ही आपलं मतदान द्या, पण मतदान करा.
तर निवडणुकीच्या शेवटच्या टप्प्यामध्ये अक्षरशः म्हणजे कुठे पैसे वाटताना कुणीतरी मोठा पदाधिकारी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचा आढळून येतो, कुठेतरी गाडीवरती हल्ला होतोय, जीवघेणे हल्ले होत आहेत. हे जे रूप आलेलं आहे तर याला म्हणजे कुठली यंत्रणा कुठेतरी कमी पडते असं म्हणायचं का?
The reporter basically is asking that there are incidents of money being distributed, vehicles being attacked.
नागपूर जिल्ह्यामध्ये
Sharad Pawar responds saying elections are held in Maharashtra peacefully generally.
तो अस्वस्थ करणारा अशा प्रकारचा हल्ला होता. असे प्रकार सहसा म्हणजे कुठे.
But the attack on Anil Deshmukh near Nagpur basically troubled me a lot. It troubled our supporters as well.
अशीच अपेक्षा.
काल रात्री उशिरा एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स झाली दिल्लीमध्ये आणि त्या
We hope that these kind of incidents of violence are not repeated.
आणि त्या नावाच्या ऑडिओ क्लिप्स घेऊन त्यांच्यावरती बिटकॉइनच्या संदर्भानं पैसे मागितल्याचा आरोप एक IPS झाले पण जॉईन न झालेले IPS.
There are allegations of Bitcoin scam against Supriya Sule and Nana Patole. Reporter is asking.
जी व्यक्ती एक महिने तुरुंगात होती, त्याचं म्हणणं काय? याची
The
नोंद
person
तरी
who was in jail few months back for 2 years.
आवश्यकता नाही.
भाजपनुसार त्याच्यावर केंद्रीय पातळीवर पत्रकार परिषदा वगैरे घेतल्या.
What is that person's locus standi over here? What is the credibility of that person who is making an allegation?
आणि त्यांचा एकंदरीत सगळ्या कॅम्पेनकडे बघायचा दृष्टिकोन किती खालच्या पातळीचा आहे हे स्पष्ट होते. त्यापेक्षा अधिक त्याचा मला
This shows that the politics in Maharashtra has gone to its lowest ebb.
मला असं दिसतंय की इथं सत्ता परिवर्तन होईल.
The reporter is asking what is the result that you are expecting on 23rd?
निर्णय त्या संदर्भात घेतील असं मला पायमाफी दिसतं.
जागांचा अंदाज काय साहेब?
I am hoping the voters will decide judiciously.
असं आहे की त्याची फॅक्शन फीचर मला माहिती नाही. तुम्ही जी काही माहिती दिली ती बघितली, पण लगेचच मी त्याच्यावर काही भाष्य करणार नाही. कारण ज्यांच्या उद्देशाचा आरोप केला जातो त्यांना मी बरेच वर्ष ओळखतो, त्यामुळे माझ्याकडे ऑथेंटिक माहिती असल्याचं मी भाष्य करतो.
तुमचा अंदाज किती जागा येतील? जागा किती असतील?
मी काही ज्योतिषी नाही आहे, पण मला शीत असं दिसतंय की बहुमत मिळावं.
175 जागा येतील असं अजित पवार म्हणतात आणि बारामतीत काय बोलतात?
I am not an astrologer, will not be able to predict tickets, seats.
280 सांगायला पाहिजे. असे 150 सांगणं चुकीचं आहे. किती?
170 नाही, 170.
Well, Sharad Pawar speaking on the controversy as well. Arunil, if you can highlight as far as the main points that he was talking about while casting his vote today.
Well, Sharad Pawar basically casting his vote in Baramati, Amita. The first question that was asked to him was the stunning allegations that have been leveled against Supriya Sule, his daughter, as well as against Ajit Pawar. Sharad Pawar hit back saying that the person, the IPS officer, beg your pardon, who's been leveling these allegations was in jail for 2 years. What is his locus standi? What is his credibility? This is what Sharad Pawar basically asked. He was again asked about the fact that you have been campaigning across the state of Maharashtra. What is the number that you can predict? He smiled on that, saying that I am not an astrologer, but going by the support that we have been getting amongst the people, I am expecting 150 seats across Maharashtra. 145 is the magic number in the state of Maharashtra. 288 assembly seats in the state of Maharashtra. Sharad Pawar basically was also asked about the fact that which way Baramati is going to swing again. Sharad Pawar said that we have done our best. We have fought hard till now. Let's see what the voters basically will be deciding over here. At present, I am reporting from Bandra East. This is the place where in some time now the Uddhav Thackeray family, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray will be coming here to cast their vote on the penultimate day, a day prior the crucial Maharashtra polls. Some of the dramatic as well as serious serious allegations have been leveled from both the ends. One was Vinod Tawde, basically allegedly caught on camera for allegedly indulging in cash for votes. Vinod Tawde has aggressively denied all these allegations. He is
Right.
also expected to speak again in some time from his Vileparle residence. Then came the allegation from the BJP against Supriya Sule and against Nana Patole. The Bitcoin allegation against Supriya Sule. Supriya Sule has exclusively spoken to Times Now,
Right.
denying all the allegations, and also said that she has already filed a complaint with the Cyber Cell and the Election Commission of India, saying that it was not her voice, and she had mentioned about it earlier as well to the relative
So
police
dismissing
person.
those